Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Welcome to Spathodia Avenue, located in the sought-after community of Mona, Kingston 6. This highly desirable home has 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, with a detached, fully self-contained flat at the rear of the property. This home is perfect for a large family or entertaining, and the land area size is 6,837 square feet. The master bathroom is equipped with dual vanities, soak-in tub, walk-in closet, and a jetted stand-up shower. The beautiful upgraded kitchen offers great space for entertaining because of its U-spaced layout and oversized island, built-in stainless steel dishwasher, gorgeous granite countertop, and lots of cabinetry. The formal dining room opens to a large patio to enjoy your morning coffee in a quiet and serene setting. Efficient home solar system is being sold separately. Act fast, as other homes in this community have sold within days of listing. Great neighborhood with parks, award-winning schools, and shopping just minutes away. Location is very investor friendly, a true gem. Other features include ceramic tile, garden area, grilled, kitchen built-ins, central location, easy access, family-oriented, low maintenance yard, and pets are allowed. The current price of this house is Jamaican 75 million or US $478,000. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.